Welcome to the bikes world. Today, we dive into the latest evolution of Yamaha's legendary leader-class superbike, the 2025 Yamaha R1. Packed with cutting-edge technology, improved aerodynamics, and refined performance, this superbike is ready to dominate both the streets and the track. Design and aerodynamics. The 2025 Yamaha R1 retains its aggressive and aerodynamic styling, but with key refinements for better performance. The front fairing is now more compact, improving wind resistance and overall stability at high speeds. Inspired by Yamaha's MotoGP's RM1, the updated bodywork enhances downforce, keeping the bike planted during aggressive riding. LED lighting has been redesigned for a sharper, more futuristic look, while lightweight carbon fiber elements contribute to a lower overall weight. Engine and performance. At the heart of the R1 is the latest iteration of Yamaha's 998cc crossplane inline-4 engine, now delivering even smoother power delivery and a slight bump in horsepower. Thanks to advanced combustion technology and improved intake efficiency, the R1 offers more torque in the mid-range, making it even more thrilling on corner exits. Yamaha has also enhanced the cooling system to improve reliability during extended high-performance riding. Electronics and rider aids. The 2025 R1 is loaded with the most advanced electronics package yet. The 6-axis EMU, inertial measurement unit, controls a suite of rider aids, including cornering abs, slide control, lift control and traction control, all of which have been fine-tuned for better precision. A new customizable ride mode system allows riders to adjust power delivery, engine braking, and suspension settings on the go. The latest quick shifter now offers smoother clutchless upshifts and downshifts, making every ride seamless. Chassis and suspension. Yamaha continues to refine the Delta Box aluminum frame, ensuring the perfect balance between rigidity and agility. The Kybe electronic suspension has been updated with faster response times, adapting instantly to road and track conditions. The bike's braking system features Brembo Stylema calipers, providing exceptional stopping power with improved heat dissipation for consistent performance. Technology and connectivity. A brand new TFT full-color display now features Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to link their smartphones for navigation, call alerts, and performance tracking. Yamaha's Ride Control app lets riders customize settings remotely and analyze riding data. Additionally, the new keyless ignition system adds convenience without compromising security. Final thoughts. The 2025 Yamaha R1 continues its legacy as one of the most advanced superbikes on the market. With a blend of power, technology, and precision, it remains a top choice for riders who demand the best. Whether you're a track enthusiast or a street rider, the new R1 delivers an exhilarating experience that pushes the boundaries of performance. That's it for today's review on the bikes world. Stay tuned for more in-depth motorcycle content. Let us know your thoughts on the new R1 in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest and greatest in the motorcycle world.